Welcome to 197 Glen Oak Drive in prestigious South Oakville, a timeless, custom-built, award-winning residence in a fantastic neighborhood. Design, location, lifestyle. It all comes together seamlessly and elegantly in this one-of-a-kind residence. Let's go inside and have a look. Quartz counters with waterfall edge central island. Perrinon row high-end faucet finished in English gold. Integrated high-end appliances. Optimist fireplace overlooking beautiful, spacious outdoor living area. Spacious sunlit primary bedroom featuring a walk-through closet and spa-inspired ensuite with curbless shower.